With honors, Ren J. P. Tuyugol. With honors, Delphine Junior T. Valiser. With special award, Best in Religion. With honors, ZMB Valiente. With special award, Best in Religion. With honors, Jillian Grace Valiestin. Another with honors, Queen Ivory Valmoria. We also have Conduct Award, Paul Francis Wahi. And Service Award, Donna Salao. We also have here, Basura Patrol Award, Genrix Tudor. Okay,